Today on Mr. Rose Adventures, we're assembling with the Avengers here at Disneyland Paris. We're checking out everything Avengers Campus has to offer. The rides, the foods, the heroes, the merch, and the atmosphere to find out, is this one of the best lands in Disneyland Paris? One thing Avengers Campus absolutely nails is the atmosphere. Everywhere you look, there's something happening. You've got music playing across the land, Avengers appearing on rooftops, hero vehicles, stock tech everywhere, and loads of interactive moments happening all day. Unlike some lands where you just walk through, Avengers Campus feels alive. And honestly, hearing the Avengers theme while walking through here makes you feel like you're stepping into the MCU. And at night especially, this area looks incredible. First up, Spider-Man Web Adventure. The queue here is brilliant. There's loads of Stark and Web tech details, and it really feels like you're entering a working Avengers facility. The idea is simple. Spider-Bots have escaped, and it's your job to stop them by slinging webs with your hands. And somehow, this ride becomes instantly and insanely competitive. What makes Web Adventure really clear is you don't actually need any controllers or blasters. The ride tracks your hand movements, which makes it feel way more immersive. Although fair warning, your arms will hurt afterwards. Now after riding Web Adventure, you'll probably end up here, Mission Equipment. This is basically Avengers HQ for merchandise. You've got Spider-Bots, Web Tech add-ons, Iron Man gear, Avengers clothing, lights, shields, pretty much anything Marvel. Some of the web accessories actually connect to the ride and can change your gameplay. Dangerous information for your wallet. One of the most unique experiences here is the Hero Training Center. This is where you can actually meet Avengers like Spider-Man or Captain Marvel in a much more personal setting. It's not just a quick selfie and move on. You get proper interaction time and some really cool photo pass shots too. For younger Marvel fans especially, this is an amazing experience. And even if you don't book Hero Training Center, Avengers Campus is packed with characters. You'll regularly see Spider-Man, Iron Man, Captain America, Black Panther, Thor, and more appearing throughout the land. And the best part is, they don't always stay in one place. You can suddenly hear music start, everyone looks up, and an Avenger appears on the rooftop. Makes the whole campus feel interactive and unpredictable in the best way. Time for food, and PYM's Kitchen is definitely one of the most unique restaurants in Disneyland Paris. The entire theme here is Ant-Man and the Wasp style science experiments. So you get giant burgers, tiny desserts, and loads of fun presentation. It's one of those places that's fun before you even start eating. And honestly, the desserts here are dangerous. If you want something quicker, Stark Factory is the more casual option. You've got pizza, pasta, salads and sandwiches, and there's loads of seating, which is a massive bonus on busy days. The theming is also really underrated here. There's Stark Tech details everywhere and even a Hulkbuster display. Okay, time for the big one. Avengers Assemble, Flight Force. This ride replaced Rock and Roller Coaster and now turns the whole experience into a high-speed Avengers mission. The queue and pre-show are seriously impressive, especially seeing all the Iron Man tech and the full-size hypersonic vehicle. And once you launch, it is intense. Loops, inversions, onboard music, effects. This is definitely the thrill ride of Avengers Campus. And actually, the Marvel experience doesn't stop outside Avengers Campus. If you're staying at Disney Hotel New York, the Art of Marvel, there's an extra Marvel perk that's really cool. The entire hotel is themed around Marvel artwork and superheroes, with original pieces and displays all throughout the building. But one of the best parts is the exclusive hero meet and greet area for hotel guests. Depending on the day, you can meet different Marvel heroes in a much more relaxed setting compared to the parks. And because it's exclusive to hotel guests, it often feels far more personal. So if you're a big Marvel fan and you're considering where to stay at Disneyland Paris, this hotel definitely adds something special to the whole Avengers Campus experience. So, is Avengers Campus worth visiting? For us, absolutely. It's not just about the rides, it's the atmosphere, the music, the heroes walking around, the food, the energy. It genuinely feels like stepping into a Marvel movie. And with the Hotel New York, the Art of Marvel extending that experience beyond the parks, Marvel fans could easily spend an entire trip surrounded by superheroes. If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to like and subscribe and join us for more adventures right here on Mr. O's Adventures. See you next time! Bye!